Good morning, everyone. Today I, Riya Yadav
And I, Aryavarth.
of Class 8C, welcomes you to our special assembly on topic hope. Hope is a very important part of our life, as hope is to believe that good things will happen, and there are three things on which life depends on: love, trust, and hope.
So now, let's put our hope in God. What does it mean? It means as God is always there and will never let us down, as God is a true hope.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल करके कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बच के रहें हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
Thank you, Aditya. Now, let's learn a new word. So, for it, we have Supriya with us with the word of the week. Over to you, Supriya.
Hello, one and all present here. I am Supriya is going to tell you the word of the week. The word is optimism. I repeat, optimism. Its spelling OPTIMISM. I repeat, OPTIMISM. Its mean the feeling that the future will be good or successful. I repeat, the feeling that the future will be good or successful. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Supriya, for increasing our knowledge.
A good and inspiring thought can spice up our day. Reading or listening a thought keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So, to inspire us with a thought, we have Mohit with us. Over to you, Mohit.
Good morning, everyone. I, Mohit, is here to tell the thought of the day. Today's thought is: winners are the men who dedicated their life to winning. I repeat my thought: winners are the men who dedicated their life to winning. Thank you.
To show some dance moves, we have Ishita for a beautiful dance performance. Over to you, Ishita.
जिंदा रहने का एक ही जज्बा है, गुजर जाएगा, गुजर जाएगा। माना मौत जगह बदल कर आई है, माना मौत जगह बदल कर आई है, माना रात खाली है, भयावह है, गहराई है। लोग दरवाजों के रस्तों में रुके बैठे हैं, लोग दरवाजों के रस्तों पर रुके बैठे हैं, आईं सबने छिपे बैठे हैं। मगर यकीन रख, ये बस गुजर जाएगा गुजर जाएगा गुजर जाएगा बाजार खाली सड़कें सुनी मोहल्ले वीरान है बाजार खाली सड़कें सुनी मोहल्ले वीरान है खौफ लगा है हर तरफ लोग हैरान हैं ये वो कहर है जो दुनिया को डराने आया ये वो कहर है जो दुनिया को डराने आया मगर नासमझ है जो इंसान को हराने आया इतिहास गवाह है ये मसला भी सुलझ जाएगा इतिहास गवाह है ये मसला भी सुलझ जाएगा जिंदा रहने का ये जो जज्बा है गुम हुआ है टूटा नहीं जिंदा रहने का ये जो जज्बा है गुम हुआ है टूटा नहीं यही जज्बा एक असर लाएगा इल्म आएगा मुश्किल बहुत लगेगा वक्त की तरह गुजर जाएगा गुजर जाएगा गुजर जाएगा
What a beautiful performance it was.
A small speech gives us an inspiring knowledge and ambition. So let's invite Vanshika Yadav with a small speech. Over to you, Vanshika.
Hi everyone, my name is Vanshika Yadav and I am a student of class 8C. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on the topic hope. No doubt, life is a solid war zone, but it's not too tough either. Just always try to keep your eyes full of dreams. Hope not only give you the strength to overcome a pain, but it also makes the journey for the future easier. Hope is an optimism. It helps us to stay positive. It also generates an aura around you which protects you from the negativity. When we stay confident about our future and feel that we have to fight to win the problems, our probability to succeed increases. It happens because we challenge to stay mentally strong. The intensity of this feeling can really change your present and future. It is said that hope, which is also your belief, is a deep sense hidden in your subconscious mind. Remember that your subconscious mind is the most powerful thing on the earth. So always make your hope strong. Hope will give you the courage and inspiration to stick to your dreams as long as you breathe, and then nothing can bring you down. It lets you aim at the sole purpose of your life. With its help, you can make impossible possible. So let's not worry about the fact that today is bad. Just hope that tomorrow will be better than this. Thank you.
Some great personalities inspire us a lot by listening their life story. So for a story, we have Vanchika Singh with us with an inspiring and interesting story about Arunima Sinha's life. Over to you, Vanchika.
Hello everyone, I am Vanchika and today I have come up with a story time on the topic hope. This story is about an Indian mountain climber, Arunima Sinha. She wasn't an ordinary climber. She is a handicapped person who made an achievement of climbing the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. She was a national level volleyball player from Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Back in 2011, she met an accident with a moving train. She was pushed by some robbers while she was resisting them. As a result, her left leg had to be amputated below her knee. She got rods in her right leg and multiple fractures in the spinal cord. Arunima was tired of people seeing her with pitiful eyes, but she made an aim to climb each of the continent's highest peak. Till 2014, she completed this aim. This led to the transformation of people seeing her with fascinated and proudful eyes. Arunima reached the summit of Mount Everest at 21 May 2013. She was awarded with 6 awards. One of them was Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award of India. Her journey began with darkness, but as always in every story, a rise of hope comes up with a plot twist, leading to a bright success. I hope that after listening to such an admirable story, you must be motivated. Hence, never look down of yourself and love yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Vanchika.
Now we have Yavnika with us with a mime performance in which her feelings and expressions will touch our heart and conveying a small message too. Over to you, Yavnika.
Now let's get ready for the national anthem. Over to you, Vishal.
विनायक जया हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल जमुना गंगा उच्चल भगत नादा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जया हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जया हे
Thank you everyone for joining in our assembly.